Today, I'm going to show you how to make an iPhone app icon in GIMP step by step so you can create a clean, professional icon that looks great on Apple devices. We'll set up the canvas correctly, keep everything inside a safe zone so nothing gets clipped, build the icon with layers, and then export the final PNG in the right format for iPhone and iOS use. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GIMP and create a brand new image by going to File, then New. For an iPhone app icon, you want the canvas to be exactly 1024 by 1024 pixels. This square size gives you a high-resolution master file that can be scaled down later for different app icon sizes. Next, click into the Advanced Options section. Set the color space to RGB color because that's the standard for screen graphics and app design. Then choose Fill with Background Color or White. Do not leave the canvas transparent because iPhone app icons need to look solid and polished. Now let's set up a safe zone. This is really important because Apple automatically rounds the corners of app icons, which means anything too close to the edges can get clipped or look awkward. To avoid that, keep your main artwork centered. A good rule is to stay inside an 820 by 820 pixel area in the middle of the canvas. To make that easier, go to Image, then Guides, then New Guide by %. Add one horizontal guide at 10% and another at 90%. Then do the same thing vertically. If you want, you can also drag guides in from the rulers, but using the % guides is more accurate and helps you stay consistent. Once your canvas and guides are ready, it's time to start designing the icon layers. Begin with the background layer. Click your bottom layer in the Layers panel and choose a base color that fits your brand. You can use the Bucket Fill tool with Shift and B, or the Gradient tool with G if you want a more dynamic look. For example, you might use a bright solid color for a simple modern style, or a smooth gradient if you want a more polished App Store style. The background is the foundation of the icon, so keep it bold, clean, and easy to recognize even at small sizes. After the background is set, create a new layer for the main artwork. In the Layers panel, click the Create a New Layer icon so your foreground design stays separate from the background. This makes editing much easier later. For your main graphic, you have a few different options. You can import a vector graphic by going to File and then Open as Layers. You can use the Text tool with T if you want a strong stylized letter or initial, or you can create your own custom shapes using the Paths tool with B. The key here is simplicity. App icons work best when the design is clean, bold, and instantly recognizable. As you build the icon, make sure your main element stays inside that central safe area. Don't push important details too close to the edges, because the rounded corners will trim them visually. If your icon includes text, keep it large enough to read, but not so detailed that it becomes messy when scaled down. If you're using a logo or symbol, center it carefully and make sure it has enough contrast against the background. Strong contrast helps the icon stand out on the home screen. You can also refine the look by adjusting colors, shadows, or layer positions. If needed, duplicate layers, add highlights, or simplify shapes until the icon feels balanced. Remember, app icons are not about adding too much detail. They are about creating something memorable, clean, and instantly recognizable on a small screen. The best icons often use one strong shape, one or two colors, and a clear focal point. When your design is finished, it's time to export the master asset. Make sure the artwork fills the entire 1024 by 1024 pixel square canvas, right up to the corners of the full document, while your important content still remains inside the safe zone. Then go to File, then Export As. Choose a destination folder and name your file something simple and clear, like appiconmaster.png. Make sure the file extension is strictly set to PNG. That is the format you want for a high-quality app icon master file. In the PNG export options, look for the transparency setting and clear the checkbox for Save Transparency. This is important because Apple expects an opaque app icon asset, and removing transparency helps keep the final file compliant with the correct icon format. Once that's done, click Export and save your file. And that's it. You've now made an iPhone app icon in GIMP from start to finish. You set up the correct canvas size, built a safe zone to avoid clipping, created your background and foreground layers, and exported a clean PNG master file ready for use. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.